Hello everyone, welcome to Quick and Easy Cooking. Now today we are celebrating Mardi Gras and one of my favorite dishes is jambalaya. Now what we're going to do is we're going to make a quick and easy version of this. Now if you want to make this homemade, by all means make jambalaya homemade. But today we're going to use Zatarain's jambalaya, and then we're going to add, now I don't have smoked sausage, but what I do have is I have kielbasa. So I'm going to use kielbasa instead of smoked sausage. And we're going to put tomato and also corn in this. Now this is going to give it a different taste and flavor, and it's going to be absolutely delicious. Now the ingredients that you will need is 1 box of Zatarain's jambalaya, vegetable oil or oil of your choice, 1 tomato, corn. It could be fresh corn, it could be canned corn, and then also sausage of your choice. This is going to be absolutely wonderful. This is in celebration of our Mardi Gras.
Now, Deanna, what we're going to do today is we're going to take 1 tablespoon of oil and we're going to set it into
our Dutch oven.
Right. And we're going to heat that up for just a little bit. And then we're going to take our sausage.
Yes, we cut up our sausage.
And what I did was I cut it thin, like, not chunks. Just thin, like this. And we're going to bring it, we're going to cook it up just a little bit.
What we have here is we have our tomato diced up. We have just a small tomato. And then we also took 1 cup of corn just out of a can. Now you can use fresh or frozen, but we use just 1 can of corn, just 1 cup only. Now what Mom is doing is she's just frying this up in our Dutch oven.
And you're not going to take it to a full crisp. You're just going to get it like this right here. This is a perfect example of how it should look. Like this. Okay, we've accomplished that. Now the next step is that you are going to take your tomatoes right here.
Yep.
Dee Dee has cut up the tomatoes really beautiful.
Okay. And then we're going to use our 1 cup of corn. Right here, let me show you our 1 cup of corn.
And you're just going to mix this in. Now, you saw that I didn't take the sausage out and drain it because you're not going to, because that juice from the sausage and the little bit of oil that I put in is going to help with this rice mixture. So see how this looks now? You've got, so far, you've got the tomatoes, the corn, and the sausage together. So now you're just going to let that simmer just for a second or two. And now what we're going to do is we are going to add our water. What we've done is we have added 2½ cups of water, because that's what the the recipe calls for. So to that we are going to add our jambalaya. Now you're going to add the whole package just like that in there, and you're going to stir it. Now what I have done is I have taken our jambalaya, put everything in here from the package, and you're going to bring this to a boil. And when it comes to a boil, you're going to simmer, or you're going to reduce your heat to low, and then you're going to cover it and simmer 25 minutes or until rice is tender. Alright, now this has come to what I call a rolling boil, and you can see that it is boiling away. So what we're going to do now is we are going to turn this down to a very low setting, like this, maybe just down, and we're going to cover this, and we're going to simmer it for 25 minutes. So right now I'm putting on my kitchen timer for 25 minutes.
Alright everyone, here is our jambalaya. Now you got to remember we put tomato in this, and we also put corn in this, and we also use kielbasa. Now this is absolutely amazing. Look how good that looks. Now we let this simmer for 25 minutes. Now what I'm doing is I'm tasting our stuff, and this absolutely tastes amazing. Adding the corn and the tomato really does make a difference. I mean, it adds extra flavor to it. Not that it doesn't have enough flavor as it is, but it really does bring a crunch to the dish. All right, everyone, here is our jambalaya. Now we put 1 cup of corn, and also we use 1 small Roma tomato, and we put that on in. And this dish with the corn, the tomato, added so much flavor to it that it tastes amazing. And then we also use kielbasa. Now I didn't use smoked sausage, but like I said, you can use any type of meat for this. You can use turkey, you can use chicken, you can use ham, you can use sausage. You can use any type of meat that you have. And it's just very, very good. Now this is for our Mardi Gras. So I want to thank everybody for watching our video today. Please click the subscribe button and notification bell so that way every time I come on, you know. And if you're watching this video for the first time, please click the subscribe button. We would love to have you as part of our YouTube family. Again, thank you, take care, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.